Today I'm going to show you how to set up and create a Wikispaces page. First you may be asking, what exactly is a wiki? A wiki is a group of web pages that allows users to add content similar to a discussion forum or blog, but it also permits others to edit the content. The term wiki comes from the Hawaiian language where wiki means fast. Wikis have edit trails built into their structures. The wiki creates a complete log of every change made to every wiki page. Thus, if a student inadvertently deletes the content on a wiki page, the content is saved as an edited version, along with a user identifier, date, and timestamp. So as the teacher and organizer of your wiki, you can go back to the version the student needs. Some wiki programs allow the organizer of the wiki, which would be the teacher, to limit access to the site to only the members that have been granted access. This makes the site private to public viewing. You will be giving all of your students access and it will be a private site. So why use a wiki? Wikis are collaborative environments and can serve a variety of purposes for collaborative online projects. It allows for brainstorming, group work, collaboration, feedback, fact-finding, reflections, peer editing, blogging, and many more things. So you're wondering, where can I start to make a wiki? Well, there's a couple of places out there that offer free ones to educators. There's WetPaint, but it has discontinued its ad-free program for educators due to cost. But there are a couple examples for you here, and here you can actually go directly to the site. There's also PB Works, and there's an example of a teacher's first page. But the best one that I think that you should use is Wikispaces for educators. It offers a private option which is free for educators, otherwise it would be $5 a month. This service would only allow wiki members to view and edit pages. They state we make wikis easy to use for everyone, not just technical users. We provide a simple interface, a visual page editor, and a focus on community collaboration. I believe it has the easiest interface to use for students and teachers. Also, students do not have to have an email to join, and the teacher can sign all the students up through the Free for Educators program. So we're going to go ahead and get started by first going to the site right here to sign up for our Wikis teacher page. To create your educator page, you're going to go to the link and you're going to fill in the name of the wiki you wish to call it. Check private, which is free for educators, otherwise it will be $50 for a year. I certify that wiki will be used for K through 12 and hit create, and your wiki will be created. You'll see down here these are frequently asked questions. This is a great resource to use. The wiki walkthrough and the educational wiki examples, also the teacher's help page, are excellent if you have questions while you're making your wiki. But we're going to go ahead and go to our wiki after we had hit create. So here's the wiki we created. We called it Kuiper's Hour 5, and this is our home page. I'm going to first show you how to add members to your wiki. So you're going to go ahead and click Manage Wiki, then you will go to User Creator. As the organizer, you have the people setting, you also have the settings here. Students that you add to your wiki, since they are not the creators, will not have as many options. So you're going to click User Creator. You will scroll down and we want to use Kuiper's Hour 5, we want to add them to. We will choose I will paste in a text list. Then you will go ahead and put in your first username. Since there are lots of usernames in this database, you need to pick original ones, otherwise you will have to change them. So I'm going to go ahead and use the acronym of my school, a first name, last initial, and put a space and then give a generic password. And continue to do that, and you can do up to 100 at a time. then click Continue. You will see it is broken up into two columns that it did by the space. Should we ignore the first row? No. Which column contains the usernames? Column 1. Which column contains the email address? This is the cool part. These users do not have email addresses. And which column contains the passwords? Column 2. And it has set that up for me. I will hit Continue. It is checking these. Everything's okay. The only reason you'd have to go back if there's already a username that's using the name you'd put in, and then you'd go change it. I will click Continue. And here it has been confirmed and I am all set, and that user has been added. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a page. You simply have to click New Page, type the name of your page. We're going to call this Assignment 1. Hit Create, and here's my page has been created. We're in edit mode, so I'm just going to hit Save. And you can see it's over here on the left. And you will do the same thing to add all of your pages. Now we're going to go back home, and I'm going to show you how to edit this page. Every page has an edit button up there, so we're just going to hit Edit Page. I'm going to go ahead and type in Hello everyone. Now, up here you see I can change the font, italicize, underline, change the color, and to change the color, all I would have to do is simply highlight it, check this, hit the text color, let's change it to purple, hit apply, and it has been changed to purple. I can change the headings, put bulleted lists, add links, I can add images and files, I can embed a gadget. Most likely the only gadget you'll probably be using right now is video, but there's many more choices. Put in a table, put in special characters, and then you can even use code. So we're going to go ahead and click Save, and now our text has been changed. It's very important always to push Save. As the organizer, you have a great deal of control over your wiki. So we're going to go ahead and go to Manage Wiki. And as you can see right here, same as a user creator, you can delete the wiki, you can do notifications, you can add badges and tags. We're going to go ahead and look at pages. Over here, as the organizer, you can lock this page, so only you as the organizer can make changes to it, and no other member can make a change to it. The other members do not have this option, and this is great if like a directions page you don't want students to be able to change. But we're going to go ahead and go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you how to view the recent changes. I'm going to click Recent Changes, and here you can see we had a new user, and I've made changes to the assignment. And if I want to see what those changes are, I can simply click that, and it's showing right here. I typed in the content here, then I got rid of it, and that's why it's in red, and added hello everyone. And it shows that I was the one who did that. So you can see every user who makes the changes, and you can also see what change they have done. And it's automatically updated and put in by date for you, which is wonderful if a student by accident erases something, or if someone has messed with the wiki, you can automatically go back and change it. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to add a discussion topic, which is like a blog. You will hit discussion. You're going to go ahead and put the subject in, and our subject is going to be Assignment 1. And I'm going to go ahead and post that. Oops. And we will finish showing you how to do our discussion in episode 2.